Good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful day, but you would not believe how cold it is in Finland today. This morning it is minus 24 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit for you guys from America, but for us in Canada or in Finland who use the metric system, 24 Celsius below is freaking cold. Sometimes it can be so deceiving because look outside. It looks nice and sunny, but it's freaking cold. You want me to prove it how cold it is? Just look at my breath. My breath is freezing right now. Let's get back inside. This morning I want to do something that I've never done before, but I have seen a bunch of people do it, and I don't want to reveal it yet, but you will see literally in 5 seconds what it's going to be, okay? Guys, I am so cold. Even just a few minutes outside when it's minus 24, oh, you just can't handle it. It's so cold that your nostrils start to freeze and your beard starts to get covered in ice, and it's just like, ah. And that's why I'm warming myself up with some, no, it's not coffee. It's hot chocolate. Don't judge me. I'm not like every other vlogger who's doing all these coffee videos. I just do hot chocolate. So you might be wondering, what the heck did that video clip have to do with anything? And you might be thinking, where are you gonna go with this, Steppo? First off, I wanted to try that out is because I've always been super curious, does it actually work? And heck yes, it does. Take boiling water, throw it into the air when it's minus 24, it's gonna turn to snow. Second reason why I wanted to do it was I wanted to show off unique features of Finland. You know, so often when you live in a certain country or city, you get so numb to the unique features and you almost have to rediscover it to appreciate it. And for me, this time coming back to Finland, I really wanted to rediscover Finland. I wanted to rediscover all the unique features and unique things that this country and this city and this culture has to offer. And I want to show it off to you guys. You know, I really want to interact with you guys, and especially now there's a whole bunch of new subscribers to the channel. And first off, I want to say welcome to the channel. And second off, get ready to see a whole lot of Finland because I want to show off this country. I want to show off the unique things that Finland has to offer. But the same goes to you guys. You guys are from different cities, different countries, different climates, different cultures. And there's so much to share and to offer to the world. And I'd love for you guys as my audience in this community to start showing off where you guys are from. I would love to see Insta stories and YouTube videos of just your city or where you're from and the culture that you live in, and just learn from each other. And it's sometimes such a huge benefit to be a part of this kind of online community that you can literally connect with people all around the world. Of course, it's a whole different experience to travel somewhere, but often we don't have the opportunity to go everywhere around the world. So watching YouTube videos from different cities or different countries showing off the cultures, it's such a cool, unique learning experience. So maybe that's this week's challenge. Go out, rediscover your city, rediscover your country, your culture, and film something about it. Show it off. I'd love for you guys to send me a direct message with your guys' videos on Instagram, for example. I'd love to check them out, or post them even in the comment section below on this video. I would love for you guys to go and rediscover your city and your country and your culture and show it off to the world, because honestly, this planet Earth has so much to offer us. Guys, I know that this week was not a tutorial or so much about filmmaking per se, but sometimes I want to talk about different topics as well. But this is a topic that came to my mind this morning as I was driving my wife to the train station, and it said minus 24 degrees on my car's thermometer. And I don't want to hear the excuse that my city or my town is boring. Like my grandpa always says, if you say it's boring, it means you're boring. So go out, explore your city, go and figure out the unique features that it has to offer. If you haven't found something cool in your city, it just means you haven't explored enough. So go out, explore, life's too short. Guys, if you liked this video and you felt encouraged by it, make sure you subscribe down here and click the like button. And as well, don't be alarmed if next week I go from minus 24 to 24 degree weather, because I am on my way to Australia. I am so pumped to go to Australia. It's been 3 months since I've last been there. Pumped to go to the beach, to surf, see some old friends. But stay tuned, there's gonna be some exciting new tutorials coming as well from there. So see you next week.